how to buy Invictus Dao, the hottest Ohm Fork Dao on the Solana mainnet right now. Let's get into it. Invictus. Let's get started. Let's stake Invictus on Invictus DAO. So the first thing, obviously, we're gonna need is Solana. Now, if you don't know how to buy and send Solana over to your Phantom wallet, I'm not gonna cover that today. I'll tag the video that I've already covered on how to do this. I'll leave it in the description, and I'll tag it in this video, so you can go watch that video first. After you're done, come back here. So let's say you already have Solana in your Phantom wallet. You already have it and you're ready to, to swap for Invictus token. CoinGecko. We're going to use CoinGecko all the time on this channel. So CoinGecko, I already have Invictus searched up here. If you don't know how to spell it, it's INVICTUS with ticker symbol IN. So we're gonna use CoinGecko for two things. We're gonna go on markets here, and we're gonna see where we can swap for Invictus, and then we're gonna use CoinGecko to get Invictus's contract address, so that when we're swapping for Invictus tokens, when we're swapping Solana to Invictus tokens, we make sure it's the right token that we're swapping for. Okay. Solana doesn't have a lot of tokens built on its blockchain, so it's not as risky as Ethereum that has thousands of cryptocurrencies built on this blockchain. Alright. So, CoinGecko under markets here, you can see that there's one place that you can buy and swap for Invictus, and that's Radium. Alright. So, kind of the swap aggregator that has all the different swaps for Solana is on this platform called Serum Portal. So we're already on it here, the website. The name of the website, is portal.projectserum.com. I'll leave this website in the description as well, so y'all have it. And I'll also leave it on this video, in the video. But as we saw, Radium is the place, the website that you can get Invictus on. So we're gonna click trade here. Y'all pay attention and stay with me here. So after we've clicked Radium, we're gonna now on the top of the screen, as you see here, these tabs here, we're gonna click swap. Let me zoom in more for y'all so y'all can see. We're gonna click swap here. That's gonna take us to Radium swap. Alright, so now we're gonna swap. We've sent our Solana tokens from Coinbase or any other centralized exchange. We've sent it over to our Phantom wallet. Now we're going to swap our Solana for Invictus tokens. Alright. So of course you would click Solana, because Solana is the cryptocurrency that we have in our Phantom wallet. And then you're going to click, you're going to click the two section here, select a token. Now we're going to go back to CoinGecko. We're going to copy the contract address. It's right here under info. You have contract is the first one. We're going to click it. Click to copy. Click it. So it's going to be copied to our clipboard. We're going to go back to Radium swap. Now let's say you wanted to be sure that you're sending over and trading for the right tokens. You don't want to waste your Solana. You don't want to waste your money. Solana is money. Cryptocurrency is money. Okay? So you could just type Invictus, but if you want to be safe, we're going to copy and paste the token address, the mint address, to make sure we're getting the right tokens. And as you can see, it pulls up the same thing. So after you're done with that, obviously I'll connect my wallet. Phantom here. Select that. I'll enter my password. Always ask you for your password. I will unlock. Don't save. I don't want to save it. Alright. So now I can be able to swap my Solana for my Invictus. Obviously, I would enter the amount here. Let's say I want to swap 66 tokens. That's how much Invictus tokens I would get. And now it would show here, ready to swap. And I'll click that ready to swap. I would have to confirm the transaction on my Phantom wallet. And I would have my Invictus tokens. So after you get your Invictus tokens, we're gonna go over to CoinGecko one more time. We're gonna go to the Invictus Dao website. Alright. Once we're here, of course, we would select our wallet. Click Phantom, because that's the one I showed y'all. That's the one we're using right now. It's going to ask you to connect it. You're going to connect it to your Phantom wallet. Now, we're here to stake Invictus tokens. So obviously, well, not obviously, because I'm teaching y'all how to do this. So you go here and click stake on the left-hand corner, left-hand side. Zoom in for y'all. And click stake. It's going to bring you to this page. After you swap your Solana for Invictus tokens, you're going to have those Invictus tokens in your account, and it's going to show your balance right here. So when you're ready, you're going to enter the amount of Invictus tokens you want to stake. You don't really want it to be exposed to Invictus tokens without staking them, because we're chasing that juicy, fat, nice APY. So definitely stake it. Look at that, 58,441% and some change here on the end. That's a juicy, juicy APY. Man, and everybody's talking about this coin on TikTok, so I had to come on here and show you how to stake this. Of course, you would click stake, shows enter in the value. So let's say I want to stake 2 tokens. I would stake that. Like I told you, I would ask me to approve it, but there's no balance here for me to approve, but I would approve that. And my tokens would be staked, y'all. It would be staked. So after I would be done, and after I've done that with that process, it will show my staked balance here. If it doesn't, give it 15-30 minutes, and then do it again, or use Zapper.fi to track your wallet, and it should show S staked Invictus tokens, SIN, or however the staking would show. It will show it on Zapper.fi. But y'all, that's how you stake Invictus tokens. Is showing an error because I went through the process without having any coins. That's how you stake Invictus tokens, y'all. It's pretty simple. So if you joined this content, if you want to see me talk about more how to stake more Ohm Dao Forks, and just basically how to use Web3 on the different blockchains, Ethereum, Solana, AVAX, Phantom, I'm about to keep diving deeper and uploading more YouTube videos on how to use these different DeFi applications, dApps, for short. Y'all stay tuned, like, comment, follow. Comment if you have any questions. And y'all, that's all for today.